Wake up, YouTube. It's race day. Alright, back on the road.
So I'm meeting up with a couple buddies from work. We're gonna head down to Virginia International Raceway because MotoAmerica is having superbikes down there today. Very excited. That should be a lot of fun. It's been a long time since I rode in such a big group, and I've never actually been to the races down there at Virginia International Raceway. Never actually been to VIR in general, so should be pretty fun. One of our buddies will be like the longest trip he's been on yet. It's about 100 miles, it'll be a couple hours, and it should be a pretty fun trip. So follow along and maybe we'll get to meet some of the racers today. I'm mainly excited to meet Josh Herron. I started following him years ago when they did that first King of the Baggers race. He was riding for the Performance Machine Street Glide, and I started following him then just because he had a YouTube channel and he was doing his journey on that bike, and I've just been following him since. It seems like a pretty cool guy, family guy. I think he raced for the OnlyFans bike for a little while, which I think is pretty funny. Today he's racing for Cat, and he was in a couple towns over yesterday or Thursday doing some autographs. So couldn't take off work to go see that, but it would have been cool. Hopefully I get to meet him today. With the group. Alright, let's get it.
Well, I made it to the lunch spot. We had a couple of the guys get separated from us. We come to this joint called Nana Karen's on Main in Danville. It was pretty good. I got a turkey bacon cheddar with some chipotle barbecue aioli on it. That's pretty fire. Done with lunch. I hit up gas station for some energy drinks. Got a little cooler in my saddlebag, so I got a little spot everybody can keep their energy drinks. We just hit the North Carolina state line. We're about to turn left on the racetrack road. Made it. We're parked. I had to park with some other Harleys. because I was feeling a little outnumbered on this trip. I'll run you through what we got going here. I'm on my road glide. Martin's got a Indian Scout. Adam's rocking an Indian Chieftain. I don't know the Indian models. And then Brian is rocking a Triumph Triple Rocket 3. Badass bike. And then another Brian is on this Yamaha FZ6R. We got a pretty diverse group on this trip, but the races look really cool. I'm very excited. Let's get into it. So Martin's my VIR expert today. So where are we heading?
We are headed up to the roller coaster, the back side of the back straight.
They said they come out of the back straightaway, come into this real cool downward hill with some curves in it. It's gonna be big downshift in time there. It'd be cool to see.
Probably get to the top of the hill and see them like blowing up real hard.
Yeah. Adam, what you think?
First time here, happy to be here. A lot of bikes, a lot of people.
There's a lot of bikes.
I guess they could Harley road down here.
Yes, sir. A lot more Harleys. I bet.
There's an Indian right there.
A couple Indians. I bet the Harley bagger races has really stepped up, like V-twins coming to races.
Yeah.
Honestly, like, if it wasn't for the Bagger Racing League or King of the Baggers, I wouldn't have known that this was happening because I didn't follow MotoAmerica beforehand. So it'd be pretty cool. Really dope Screaming Eagle right there. Shoot, they booking it. Here we go. Here we go. Yeah, a little bit of tire up. Take a little stroll through the pits here. Let's see what we can find here. Let's see if I can run across old Josh Herring. The only guy I know here. It's just crazy.
In third place, riding for 4-horse HSBK Racing Ducati, the #1 plate of Josh Herring. In second place, for Titleist Cycle Racing, the #6 of Cameron Beaubier. Accepting the team award on behalf of Attack Performance Progressive Yamaha is Fernando Cruz. And your winner on the Attack Performance Progressive Yamaha Racing YZF-R1, we had the #50 of Bobby Fong.
Alright, well that was it. I did not get to meet Josh Herring. They wheeled him off and with a bunch of kids trying to get pictures with them, and I didn't feel right kicking some kids out the way. So that's fine. At least I got to see him. Man got third place. That's pretty dope. So I think we're gonna wrap this one up here. I'm gonna turn the camera off for the ride home, but it was pretty cool. First time here at VIR, first time at the Superbike races. Pretty dope. That's it for this one. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.